Welcome back at Not Just Sawdust. Not in the workshop, in my car. I'm on my way to the local woodyard to get myself some pine boards. As a matter of fact, we ordered 50 of them and I'm on my way to collect them. I hope they have planed them like I asked to, but we will see. I hope the weather will be getting better soon, because when I see these people working in this cold place, every now and then walking to that little pit with fire in it to warm their hands, well, it's not ideal. But this is Portugal and you don't stop working when your boss doesn't have any heating. That 2.60 meters is quite long for my van, which normally can take about 2.44, 2.45. So yeah, it was a bit of a hassle to get them all in, but they are in. So the wood turned out great. It's all planed and very smooth. I guess they put new blades in the planer because I don't think I have to sand much. Well, only the edges, but not the top and the bottom. They're really flat and really smooth, so that's great. So let's move back to the workshop. And we're back in the workshop. 50 boards, 19 by 2.2 by, well, minimum of 2.50 meters, but most of them are 2.60 or 2.70. At woodyard they just leave them like they are, so I have to cut that myself. Yeah, this is just an update of what I'm doing. So, as you can see, I've got a lot of stuff here. I'm going to make some office shelving for somebody, and the shelves are going to be 38 centimeters wide, so I ordered boards from 19 centimeters wide, so I can take two boards and join them, and everything's going to be made out of this stuff, so also the stands and, well, but that's not like a video project. The only thing I can do is take some pictures and show you afterwards what I've did. And at the same place I'm going to do some paneling along the wall, so yes, that's going to keep me busy for the next week or maybe even 2 weeks. So what's up? I must say I've had enough of bamboo. It's not the easiest stuff to work with, but let's see what other projects that are coming up. The first video coming up probably is the first recycled box guitar in the sequence I did about the cigar box guitars or recycled box guitars, and I did a video about how I make the necks, and that was about, I don't know, 6 weeks ago or something. And the second part is going to be finishing one of them, and that's this tin box. And well, if you push that bell down the video, then you get a notice when the video about this recycled box guitar will be up. Other projects, well, I've got something over there that needs some explaining. Somebody asked me to make a little cabinet for showing like old teddy bears and dolls and things like that. And as it happened, I saved these two doors with this beautiful glass in it. So I'm gonna take them apart because these are too thick. I have to make them a little bit, you know, a little bit more in scale of the little cabinet. But at least I don't have to bend, you know, the top, because I've got this wood. So that's gonna be another half reclaimed, half new wood little project. And hopefully I can do that after I did the shelves where I'm going to work on now. Now I had to take my table saw over to this side of the workshop because I've got this post in the middle, and if I take these long boards I can open the door here, go out and push them back across the saw, but then there is that stand in the middle, so I have to put the table over here, so I have the length to do this 2.60 meters to saw that. So that's all for this update, except for maybe a glimpse of another little project that I'm gonna do, I don't know, the coming month or maybe a bit later. Schedules is a bit difficult at the moment, but it all has to do with this little motor controller, little motor, little amplifier, and a box for batteries, and that all combined together is going to be something. But you will have to wait for the video until that's revealed. But if you want to make sure you don't miss any video, just push that bell below the video and you'll get noticed when there's a new video up. So for now I would say do some woodworking. It's a very nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. And see you all in the next video. At the logo.